Have you ever wondered how a windmill pumps up water out of the ground? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to make this little pump, and at the end of it, we're going to test how it works. Let's go, let's make it. In this little kit is a couple of little balls, a little piece of plastic, rubber band, single-sided tape, a little irrigation fitting, and that's a suction tube. And you've all seen one of these at the doctor's. First of all, get a syringe. Take the top out. On the mark that shows 0.5 of a milliliter, just push a little hole in. There. And we'll take a 3mm little stainless steel ball, take it and put it inside. Now, screw that little one there, screw it around. Now by doing this, this will hold it in so it doesn't fall out. The ball can't bounce up and down, it won't fall out. Rubber band goes over, holds it in place. The plunger can be put back in. Now, that's not ready to work yet. So now we've got to put the other ball inside of the, we'll call that the outlet tube. So you can see it down inside there. Now, to stop that from coming out, that's going to keep falling out. So you get a staple, put a staple just in, probably about 1 centimetre up. To hold that also in place, put 2 of them. Now this time, 90 degrees, another. Now that should stop that from coming out. One more thing to do is to put on the suction tube on, so, there. Now to make that a bit tight, you can get the rubber band and just a little twist around and back over. Now, you need a cup and a lid. It's a little piece of single-sided tape. Single-sided tape on top of roughly about centre. Now, if you have a little centre line cutter, you can put that on there. Cut like so, and that finds the centre. You can get these off the website, mysolarwind.com.au. Basically they're used for finding the centre. You need to pierce a hole in here, pencil like so. Fingers away from underneath and give a little push in. That pushes a little hole through. Take the suction side of the pump, give that a little push through, push it down nice and hard. Ready to go. Pump done. Now, one thing you need to know, when you fill up with water, make sure you fill it right at the top. One little trick is a tiny little bit of detergent. The reason for the detergent is it just makes the water flow easier and inside with those little balls. So if you're having trouble pumping, 2 reasons. One, the pump is not primed, there's no water inside, or the ball could be sticky. So make sure you fill it right up with water, put it on top. Now you'll notice that that actually pushes a little bit of water up, which is the same as priming it. Let's see if it works, shall we? You see it starting to suck up inside here. There it goes. Looks like it's working. All done, ready to go. What can you pump up? Could you pump up a water balloon? I think so.